Now we will discuss ultrastructure of a neuron. Now what is neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the central nervous system. It does three, that is the transmission, interpretation, integration and reception of nerve impulse. Transmission, that it passes from one place to another. Interpretation, it changes into a recognizable form, that is the our nervous system is what it is, a chemical and the electrochemical pathway. When nerve impulses travel in a electric form, and then it transform into a chemical which is filled inside the vesicle, that is called neurotransmitter. So it is in the form of that we can interpret it. And third is the integration, that it collects from various sites, and it also also display the information at various places. Integration done by this, and the reception, it receives. So these are the four functions. Now coming to the type of neuron, it is divided into according to the length, according to its function, according to the number of neurites. Okay, according to length, it is divided into type 1 Golgi and type 2 Golgi neuron. According to function, it is motor and the sensory. According to neurite, it is unipolar, pseudo-unipolar, bipolar and multipolar. Now type 1 neuron is the लेंदी न्यूरॉन. वन कैसा लगता है, एकदम लंबा जैसा लगता है, लंबा कोई आदमी खड़ा है, तो the having more length, that is the neuron which is in the tracks, ascending and descending tracks. Those neuron are type 1 neuron. And type 2 neuron are the small, having a small length, like interneuron. Okay, and our nervous system contain 99% of the interneuron, so type 2 type. And according to function, the motor, which carry the command from the central nervous system to the periphery, and sensory neuron are those which receive the exteroceptive sensation from the periphery and going to the central nervous system. Now neurites, it depends upon that here is the soma of the neuron, that is the cell body, and one appendages, and one appendages will be axon. So one soma and one neurite or one axon. Neurite is what? Neurite is axon or dendron. First axon come, then dendron. So that's why it is axon. And this is cell body. So this type of only one neurite is there, then it is called unipolar. This type of neuron is found in the embryonic stage. Now pseudo-unipolar, in which the one neurite, then again it divides. There is first one neurite, and then again it divides into one axon and one dendron. सो ये हम लोग को झूठ बोल रहा था कि इसके पास सिर्फ एक ही है, असल में दो था, थोड़ा दूर जाके फिर दोनों अलग अलग चला गया. ठीक है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ न्यूरॉन इज सूडो यूनिपोलर न्यूरॉन एंड फाउंड इन द डॉर्सल रूट गैंग्लिया. It is bipolar neuron, in which there is one axon and one dendrite. One axon and one dendrite. This is called bipolar. It is found in the retinal cell. And now multipolar, in which there is one axon. Axon will be only one. The number increases is of dendrite. Okay, there are more than one dendrite, then it is called multipolar neuron. And altogether the number will unite to form the neurite, like this, in which in this there is one neurite. Here one neurite, and then divide into axon and dendron. Here two neurite, here more than two neurite. Okay, then it is multipolar, and mostly in our central nervous system has multipolar neuron. Now coming to the structure. This is the cell body of a neuron. Here lies the nucleus, and it contains अगर एलजी कंपनी अगर एमआरसीपी का डिग्री अगर बांट रहा होता तो कितना अच्छा होता ना, सब लोग खरीद लेता। कितना ऑकवर्ड सा बात है ना, लेकिन इसीलिए हम लोग को याद रह जाएगा। ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर क्या क्या है? लाइसोसोम है, गोल्गी बॉडी है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है, सेंट्रियोल है, एंड द पिगमेंट ग्रैन्यूल्स है। रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक इज reticulum. This is also known as Nissl substance. Nissl, in case of neurons, the rough endoplasmic is very specific, and that is known as Nissl substance. Okay, and the pigment granule PNL, that is one is N, one is L. That is neuromelanin. Neuromelanin. It is found in the substantia gelatinosa, and L is for lipofuscin. Lipofuscin, which is found in the aging neuron. Okay, and this centriole forms microtubule or microfilament, which is the cytoskeleton, and in case of neurons it is known as neurofibrils. Okay, neurofibrils, and this we all know is the axon, and here is the dendrites, and dendrites is then giving many dendrons. It is just like one person, and here is the too many here, and this is the body, and here is this is the axon, and this is here is the terminal button. Okay, telodendria. Okay, and here is axons at the right angle, just by the side of the cell body. It gives one collateral. This is called collateral, coming out from the axon, just like the hand. Okay, and here is the leg. Okay, so this is the structure of our neuron. And what is the difference in between this axon and this dendron? These are many, like here there are many, and only one axon. Okay, now Nissl substance. Nissl substance is what? The rough endoplasmic reticulum, the amount of which determines how much synthesis is going on. This is responsible for the protein synthesis, and protein synthesis is for men, that is the enzyme production, neurotransmitter, and the maintenance, and for maintenance and repair protein are required. Okay, so Nissl substance is found only in the axons as well as in the soma. नसीले कितना भी गाना बना हुआ है, नसीली आँखों पे बना हुआ है, यानी तो जुल्फ पे बना हुआ है, लेकिन नसीला इस तरह से नहीं बना हुआ है। तो ये तो नशा का सब्सटेंस, निसिल सब्सटेंस नशा का सब्सटेंस कहाँ पे है? तो ये बाल में है, और यानी तो फेस पे है। ठीक है, तो ये एक्सॉन्स में पाया जाता है, मैंने एक्सॉन्स नहीं सॉरी सेल बॉडी में पाया जाता है, और डेंड्राइट्स में पाया जाता है। फिर MAP2 protein, it is only very much specific of dendron. Okay, and very important difference that the nerve impulse travel in the dendrites towards the cell body, but here in axon the nerve impulse travel away from the cell body. It is of variable size, and here is the uniform diameter. It is cylindrical, uniform diameter, and it varies. Okay, and it is giving many thorn-like projections. And here is the part of the cell body which is very much close to the axon. This is called axon hillock. It is the most sensitive part of the neuron, and it is again devoid of the वो नशे वाली जो सब्सटेंस है, just like a mic is, ये माइक लिया हुआ है तो मोस्ट सेंसिटिव पार्ट, यहाँ कुछ भी बोल देगा तो सबको सुनाई देगा, और यहाँ भी नशे सब्सटेंस नहीं होता है। ठीक है, और दिस द प्राइमरी पोर्शन ऑफ द एक्सॉन, दिस इज कॉल्ड इनिशियल सेगमेंट. This is initial segment, and within this what we are seeing, this is the endoplasmic reticulum, here is the mitochondria, is the Golgi body, is here is also Nissl substance, likewise. Okay, now what is we are dealing with the difference between axon and dendron. So these are the differences, and now coming to the type of axon. Axon can be of two types, myelinated and non-myelinated. When it is covered by the in both case it is covered by the myelin sheath. The difference is the presence of fat. Here suppose this is the axon, here this is the Schwann cell. This is the Schwann cell. The Schwann cell, this is axon cylinder and this Schwann cell, ये swollen है, ये मोटू है, ये engulf कर जाता है. This is the Schwann cell. Okay. Now अब ये क्या करता है? This is the axon and here it making a circle around like this. ये पूरी तरह से इसको कवर किया रहता है. यहाँ दिस इज द न्यूक्लियस. नाउ दिस इज द Schwann cell. ओके एंड द आउटर मोस्ट इज द न्यूरीलेमा. नमो नरेंद्र मोदी को याद रखना है हमेशा. दिस इज न्यूरीलेमा एंड दिस इज मोदी एंड मेज़ेक्सॉन. दिस इज मेज़ेक्सॉन. ओके अगर इसके बीच में यहाँ फैट रहेगा तो दिस इज कॉल्ड माइलिनेटेड. अगर यहाँ फैट नहीं होगा तो नॉन माइलिनेटेड. So what is the difference between myelinated axon and non-myelinated axon? There will be presence of fat in between the mesaxon layer. Okay, that will be called the myelinated. And if fat is not there, that will be non-myelinated. And in myelinated, nerve conduction will be faster, and non-myelinated and myelinated. It means the conduction will be faster. In this, the conduction will be slower. Okay. And myelinated looks gray in color. It is myelinated. It looks white in color and non-myelinated is gray in color. Okay. और ये इसमें माइलिनेटेड में चूँकि फैट है तो ये इट कंजर्व एनर्जी. इट डू नॉट कंजर्व एनर्जी. इट कंटेन फैट. इट डू नॉट कंटेन फैट. Okay, and nodes of Ranvier present in myelinated and nodes of Ranvier do not present. Now what is nodes of Ranvier? This axon sheath which is covering this axon, there is a sheath. ये कपड़ा भी पहना हुआ है, तो एक कपड़ा नहीं ना, 2-3 कपड़े से इसका हुआ है. तो बीच बीच में जो गैप है जहाँ पे नहीं है माइलिन sheath, that is called the node of Ranvier and this is axon sheath. तो इसका डिस्टेंस बहुत कम होता है. फिर यहाँ कपड़ा ज़्यादा दूर तक पहना हो, फिर नहीं कपड़ा पहना हो, बहुत कम दूर है. तो ये कितना है? 1.5 माइक्रोमीटर. अब कपड़ा कितना दूर, वो लंबा होना चाहिए 1.5 मिलीमीटर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. ठीक है. नोड्स ऑफ रेनवियर 1.5 मिलीमीटर आई. तो साल्टेटरी मूवमेंट से नर्व कंडक्शन होता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ न्यूरॉन. थैंक यू.